Major announcement.
Hello, YouTube. It's been a while. I just had back surgery done, but I'm fine. I should have had it done years ago. But back to the subject at hand. I know you looked at the title. You know what I'm going to talk about. For 2019, my next project is to supercharge the Taurus. I'm going to be using Eaton M90 supercharger installation kit from Morana Racing. They got an intake for it, so I can bolt it up to the car. But I'm going to have to fabricate everything else. And I'm also going to have to reinforce the engine to make sure it can handle the boost without damaging the engine. So from here on in, I started a new playlist. This is the first video from the playlist. I'm going to be getting all the parts. I'm going to have everything covered, what I'm going to do to make this work, including engine mods and what I need to make the blower work with all the accessories. I want to keep all my AC, all the options that's on the car. I want to keep everything functional. So I'm going to have to do some fabrication. I'm going to cover it all in this playlist. Also, I'm going to be doing some work on the engine too. The cam I have on the car, I love the cam and everything. I make about 215 to 220 horsepower to the wheels, which is a lot considering that the factory horsepower was about 156. But I'm going to have to change the cam for something more friendly with boost. The cam itself, I already sold it. I got a neighbor who has a Ford Ranger with a 4x4 and he wants the cam. So as soon as I yank the cam out of this car, it's going to him. I'm going to go with a stage 1 Morana Racing cam instead of the stage 3 I have in here right now. It won't be as lumpy, but it will be more friendly for the setup I'm working on. My goal is to hit at least 300 horsepower. I think I can get it with the boost and some mods. I'm going to also have to take the heads off, redo some head work on it, and I'm going to put racing studs, head studs instead of the regular head bolts. So it have more clamping force. I don't have to worry about head gasket failures or anything else when you add boost. Also going to add some roller rockers instead of the snap ones I have on here right now. The springs are fine. I got high performance springs, so I don't have to change those out. But like I said, just basically modifying the engine to handle the extra boost, fabricating the supercharger to put on there, and it's going to be a lot of tuning, timing, other stuff like that to keep from detonation and any kind of damage that would do to the engine. So that's about it for this video. Like I said, this is going to be on a new playlist specifically for boosting this Vulcan V6. I'm going to make sure to cover everything, including parts, numbers, what I did, what has to be done to make it work, everything. So hopefully you'll enjoy watching the videos coming up. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe and click that bell, and you won't miss a